On today's episode of MotoCheez.
I wish I knew there was no back brake.
You're rolling.
Oh, I'm rolling? Alright guys, so we are on the iceberg lettuce hot dog. Dude, I'm kind of excited. Oh jeez, brake does not work that good. I wish I knew there was no back brake.
Damn dude, sorry. So this is what happened. Whitey, you're low on brake fluid. Your rear brakes didn't work. Let Racer Miata take you for a ride and you almost kill him? That's not very nice, Whitey. Racer Miata took Whitey out for a ride and there was no rear brakes. I thought it had some air in the line, but it actually has a little pinhole. Little pinhole right there because the swing arm goes up and down and it didn't give it enough slack. I did buy this. It's supposed to be 40 Grom, so it should be longer. I'll show you the difference, the way it's supposed to be routed. See the way the cable loops up toward the front of the hinge point of the swing arm? That's the way it should be. On the Clone, it goes straight across. So when that swing arm moves up and down, what's it going to do? It's going to chafe the wire and put a little pinhole, just like it did. Tie Buds took it for a ride too. Thank God nothing happened. No rear brakes. Whitey. So if you have one of these, I highly suggest you getting the longer cable. Pull this old one out. And you can see, look where that wore through. Definitely check your brake line to see if it's chafing like this one did. Because if it did, I'd say change it right away. I have the link in the description at MotoCheez.com. This one, now it loops back. So I'm going to put a big tie wrap on there. I'm going to put one in here so it don't go in. And then I'm also going to put one right here so it won't rub. So I'm done with the new line. I tie wrapped it up on the fulcrum point. Of course where the swing arm bolt is. Then it goes back. Held with the bracket. Put another tie wrap toward the end here. Also in the middle just in case so it doesn't slack out and hit that tire. And then back here. And I bled it from here, not here. I'd bleed that too, but the highest point is what you want to bleed anyway. So we're all bled out. And we got brakes. Alright guys, so let me give you an update on the Florida property. I did close on it. So Motor Rider and me are going to be heading down in the next week or so. If you want more up-to-date information, follow me on Instagram. So I'm sure you noticed I haven't been posting many new videos. It's because I've been trying to get this enclosed trailer all set for the ride. So I'll get you all caught up on what I did and where I'm at. That's why you check the bearings before you go on a long trip, boys. Yep. New bearings for this side. New rims and tires for both sides. Wheels. That's right. Gotta be ready to pull. 1,200 miles. Not you, Minnie. Don't be scared. Wiring's all done with that heat shrink style. They work pretty good. New safety chains. It's all wired. Waterproof connectors. Work pretty damn good. Check out this little baby ladder. Guess how high it goes. I have a couple of these. One came with the rooftop. This is the tallest one I think they make. They are so compact and light, and they're strong. That's how tall it is. How long is it? That old generator kicking around. I cleaned the carb and got going, so I'm testing that out. Getting up there. That was a little bit too low. 105 is about the threshold. Whitey, what are you doing, Whitey? Yes, you're going to Florida. This is the enclosed trailer. Motor Rider and me are taking back down to Florida. If you see us on the highway, give us a shout on Channel 19. Shout out to MotoCheez. We'll holler back at you, Rubber Ducky 10-4, good buddy.
We're ripping! Oh man! Jesus Christ!
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.